A mine car of mass 440 kilogram rolls at a speed of 0.5 meters per second on a horizontal track as the drawing shows. The 150 kg chunk of coal has a speed of 0.8 meters per second when it leaves the chute. Determine the speed of the car coal system after the coal has come to rest in the car. Okay, here we have to write the data. Let us write the data. Mass of the car is equal to 440 kilograms. Mass of the coal, (150 kilograms). Okay, and then the coal is making an angle of 25 degrees with the horizontal and traveling with a velocity of 0.8 meters per second. Okay, and then the car is traveling with a velocity of 0.5 meters per second, and then it is traveling along the positive x direction. So I will write the velocity of the car or speed of the car. Initial VI car, okay, is equal to 0.5 meters per second. Similarly, initial velocity of coal is equal to, I will write x direction and y direction. Okay, we need x direction. X direction is equal to 0.8 meters per second times, this is 25 degrees, this is the adjacent side. So this will become the x direction is the adjacent side. So this will become cos 25 times cos 25 degrees. Okay, is this one. Now, what we have to do, this is a case of collision. Okay, here the momentum is conserved. Okay, in this momentum is conserved. Therefore, PA is equal to PF. Okay, let us write the momentum. PA is equal to mass of the car into mass of the car into velocity plus mass of the coal into velocity. Okay, so what it is, 440 times 0.5 plus 150 times 0.8 times cos 25, and then PF is equal to, after the coal falls into the car, both will travel with the same velocity. So PF is equal to total mass times velocity. That velocity we have to find out. So 150 plus 440 times velocity. Okay, so we will equate 150 plus 440 is equal to 590. 590 V is equal to, what is the value of this one? This will give 328.7569. Okay, kilogram meter per second. Okay, this is equal to 328.7569. Therefore, V is equal to 328.7569 divided by 590. That will give you value of 0.557 meters per second. This is the answer. Okay, just this is you have to write this is based on the conservation of momentum. That's it, nothing beyond that. Simple problem. Thank you.